Mala ke chang dar chai nyor ko dung dit media ke chang ke janang ra wuri die ke pai badak karon kindi dang ra wuri janang ra wuri die ba ye nong dar tin la no ye ni chang ke dung dit media tin lar gro dien re boy dan ke junub Sudan ke na win mon do dien ane ala ri chang anu ke program dan na ke dung dit media tan ne ke type of episode la nong ne ke ye nang ro la update ni tan ne ka bare la tuk lari Tanay ke profile store ni tanay ke ebato ni in international and national issues tin ko na rodin ke junub Sudan ke win mon do dien mulu ke chang mi chang wala me ma ko roi che ga ta roi ne won ke tin rodin ke junub Sudan ba ko to ke mala ne ye karau ti to current issues issue number 1 opposition armed group la opposition ideal ka junub Sudan ti bos ka SPLM-IO ba gora nast tanken mi ro nyoma rodin tin de kono te ke armed group shi united front shi kana pom ya rodin mat objective dien ko men gurke ba people of South Sudan ba ga liberate ke tyranny kuma na ta ga Salva Kiir la kuma tok duil na ta ga juba so and position is one of the very important topic of today man rajo da ko machara mado ka opposition group kira ne ko na ya kwen de bos ga SPLM-IO ta nastin ne ro ken de kon de ke gu ni ta ga mach angu ba le ken so right kere no man rajo de rajo ude o te group of Phar Kuol na Delinkers ne de konde jara Delinkers SPLM-IO te chare mo char ban pin ta me cha campaign dien la dir political campaign chariet Nathaniel Oyet allow roin dia lat konge tilat ken ke kwatar gen ne Nathaniel Oyet with a purpose of kwa image kwa tanich quote ke je ke Nuer la majority followers of the SPLM-IO ichi Nuer so kana yene to chermala ne wo group of Delinkers tin di ko Phar Kuol ba ro jodien ke interest dien mo ko umulut kene ke wo ba campaign dien ba riet Nathaniel Oyet. Taro can the two main things that we will talk about them today then become radiant kula which as update of the day bane talk entire united front nan cha form opposition group channe nen kenin dangrawuti ka part of Equatoria SPLM-IO kana nas plan ne ko na ja kwen gola shi ka prawn ji kana form together cha ko tere kan kamala shwala lasu shi ka mal woga mala shwali ka some villages can boomers in content along the Yei Congo road. Do banana jen ke Yei mo Congo. Cha we don't want Jacob ta ke moral ta ga gu mi ja organize can me take one command me take one objective. So mun an kon go now Yei is checking. That look at that united front majal kelo ke ayu kel kan nast so in front hijeno mo kel me der la wal ka ko run te to ko der la wal ko the objective ka so Sudan ne ko kuma ta jang kala ku mi jek kuma tribalize yen ga tribalize government chawa ka olagak la kumne ni chwer tot ti ngar wingar chujna that need a change need a radical change mena ne there was different objective. Kakan opposition group. Take a basic objective, talking about only region. Here, Kanas was talking about Equatoria, right of Equatoria. SPLM-IO was somehow national, because it has membership of the nationwide. Objective in general, the Hukuma to Juba, Chapel, Chajiak need to be changed. So the right of Equatoria in South Sudan, by Jack government is stable. The right of all South Sudanese, when which either one right, the Jack 64 tribe, man, every Equatorian tribe will get right. So jen na cha parwe ni tu the liberation struggle ku de mat ke the wal de the only problem is Juba government that is in Juba. If that government go, a new government of South Sudan that will involve an ideal will involve aran anything but dividends of our independences baga cheer and ideal together. So jen ku me de la ya kan wal. So in terms of kwajan time me jitu ko jamo. A very easy go the formation of one prawn by Kumana to Juba by check. Like for example, authority around Juba, we are hearing some blockage. Take a block artillery road in somewhere, Kadobye, Mandom Nimlibo is checking, Kadob Kajakeji, plus around Juba. To know the and morale of the United Front that we talk about, Tenial, and their advancings. So, and which again, or take a core, one community is only that government is not telling us what is happening exactly. So, talk on communication, go back road and go and United Front, and Chobo. Current difficulties, current government, because of that unity of opposition group, Adinu, Managa war, the Aliaga and Manakaling. So generally, we can tell ourselves, oh, it's very good. It's very good to United Front, which Amanda can all the opposition. Because this is not a new thing. Revolution, it happened in many countries. Take a pace. It can be started by one tribe, can be started by one region, one state, and after all, but why inclusive? Because the objective of every movement and national interest. A nation include everybody. So jendan right conjo to go and unity more ke pronted cha united opposition leaders, opposition group is very important. We support it. Banachong kelake. Panangaji the objective is the liberation of the people of South Sudan. Kukum manante kujuba. No. Once again, Kellen Namanan and Raina Jordan, and as we repeat, going to understand whether there is a new phase of revolution, which is the united front of all the group in Konditaro Kurkum. As we talk about, that's supposed to be the first thing they call an Kanawal. The objective is one, to liberate the people of South Sudan. Number two, a group of Delinkers, group of Phar Kuol, La Farm African SPLM-IO. So, can time they were trying to maybe don't take a support because they were cheated by the sitting government. So, Phar Kuol Nangare Kamukuji, for him, he has a problem. Take a problem internally. He senior Nuer te yao kwen ke kor ebezono ko tejuwa look at Phar Kuol. So this man has no internal and has no external support. So they cannot rely on him anymore. China arabunda kaje ko talelong. So group da na Delinkel ke far. So campaign ke social media as we see this day. Kwa attack ni Nathaniel Oyet. Can personally, most of them go to the point of when Nuer, as if SPLM-IO Kume Nuer. She Nuer, Yam Yam, Tamashide campaign, SPLM-IO. And the reason for Nathaniel Oyet campaign is to keep the SPLM-IO alive in absence of Dr. Riek Machar. So Mijira Muilaran SPLM-IO when a revolution is on. Ko Kormala Tarajam Wimon Keluyam and she cannot to Kor. The first leader of the movement may go, but other leaders come after. But the objective is the same. Ko ba medane atu Ramkel Bawasulu. Ne to share go ila dago when they turn again Nathaniel Oyet. Shubuka po nyo bune ne Balkan Nathaniel Oyet kro ila dago kon dia SPLM-IO we organize ourselves for core ko ba nyi kanat. So ko di injustice did Micha by president, the first by president, the chairman of the movement, Micha Bulun, Manatu, there is nothing to negotiate. Tell me to negotiate. And he was giving his opinion to public, who joke now, and it is now up to them to decide who they will release the first by president or they will not. So, Aranyuchiro Jamo, Ekel, Milokaka. Kan Nathaniel Oyet jikwar Phar Kuol ko wan a korchalat ni korchalat ko bakor be chajaw, and they also blame him but medan me chikumela me taking all the position of IO ka liberated area. She SPLM-IO under Nathaniel Oyet they take a contact land, they contact government with contact commissioners, they form no more they criticize that. They say this is not the right process. So generally, we can do SPLM-IO when they recognize and they let the other SPLM-IO of Palm Africa. That will not happen. That cannot happen. So for this reason, Lane Nathku and one Yithkon Banagaloj, you call Phar Kuol. You call Phar Kuol, the Alat Kanagan, the Alkulu, a disparity. Get desperate of wood and there SPLM-IO and take under Rengmucher there, duck. Then they could take a room to maneuver. The politician could play again. That may give them some opportunities. The government of national unity. But Kuono, telephone raid, talk, whatever they are trying to say about Nathaniel Oyet is fake. She guade. So SPLM-IO is still very strong under the acting chairmanship of Nathaniel Oyet, and we wish them a longer mobility. And Jerry Royalat as acting chairman co position with SPLM-IO Jenen. So it will depend on government. Government a year Remachar, co Beremachar Belun, Kichabulun. What I share SPLM-IO still continues. That is the only good thing. People will go back to the peace negotiation. So, ko no na ko Balkan Nathaniel Oyet, biangajo another one who blame him, who give him any name, mythology. Biangajo these are the type of the Delinkers. That's SPLM-IO Palm Africa. Take on to hear the link, Phar Kuol. She can talk. So when Mr. Keno, and they and in summary, a opposition group, opposition armed group to contact the needed a much United Front, Chapomakan. And that United Front is led by the SPLM-IO, Kanas, Canada, Okin. Now they start opening their front, Central Equatoria, border of Congo. As we said, yay is check. Then I put a yay, and if it happened that yay along in Jagakan, the rest of the areas, which what had in time is Mulu is going on. Equatoria one can a part of South Sudan or Kin. Taro one of the summer, the second, Anam Bijago, Moku campaign again Nathaniel Oyet in the name of the SPLM-IO. Make sure that you represent the position of Nato Konlagan Nuer. So let it be someone maybe a Delinker. Is a member of Phar Kuol movement, me telling a frustration. ko chamiken kan longalan chala de ken kula gak Iran that is still support the position of SPLM-IO. So toro kan explanation the condemn these are the days, and we meet with other informations mune ka wajak ka kor ta debate and thank